Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, kids. Good morning, grade 4. How are you this morning? I hope all of you are doing fine. Okay, kids. For my Muslim kids today, are you fasting, dear? I hope all of you fasting and you can complete your fasting for today and try to challenge yourself to do the fasting and follow until the 30 days in Ramadan. And then I would like to tell you, maybe after this, you can listen to the people that are reciting the Al-Quran, because Teacher Fia is recording in early in the morning. Right now is 5:34 a.m. in the morning. So it's okay, right? I hope that my voice can be heard clearly. Okay, kids. Today I'm not giving you a Zoom meeting, but instead I'm going to giving you a video with me, and then you can see this a new kind of whiteboard that I have prepared to you. I'm already writing the material for you over here. And I try to finish this and show you how to do and to resolve the problems. Because when Teacher Fia thinks that I'm giving you the PPT slides before, it's hard for you to follow up. So that's why I choose to do this method. I hope you can understand well. Okay, if you don't understand, you can freely to message Teacher Fia in WA and asking for that. Okay, kids, let's continue our lesson. And our today's lesson for April 28, 20 and 20 is about squares and square roots. Okay, the square and square roots, you can find it on page 137 student book. Okay, kids. Before we continue discussing about our material for today, I would like to give you a little bit review about our quiz before. It's about the marks that are the same. Actually, Teacher Fia before already gave you some of the questions. I'm already giving you a square. I'm so sorry, the square is not corrected by the application because, it's already corrected. And Teacher Fia giving you this kind of mark, right? Okay, did I'm giving you this kind of mark here? Okay, what kind of mark is this? In the other video, I'm already telling you that this kind of mark is mean equal. When I write over here to you, means that when I write over here to you, it means that this one, and this one, and this one, and this one is equal. Okay, dear? So if I put 4 centimeters over here, means that over here is also, right, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So if Teacher Fia didn't want to write over here, I don't want to write 4 centimeters over here. I don't want to. So you can already know that. Right? If this mark means that it's also 4. If I didn't put the 4 over here, you can ask Teacher Fia anymore. What, Teacher Fia? Why don't you put the measure over here? Of course, because I already put the mark, means that they are all the same. Okay. Now I will try to write another shapes, that which is rectangle. Oh, it's not correct. I will try to write another thing. Okay, the rectangle. Oops. Okay, they already corrected. Okay, in this rectangle, I will put 2 marks. First is like this, here. And the second is, I will put this like this. Only one line. Okay, what the meaning of this? Everyone, let me telling you that this one on the top and the below, when there's two lines of the marks, means that they are two equal. So if teacher will put not 2 because it's too short. Okay, I will put 4 centimeters over here, means that over here is 4 centimeters. So instead, follow the one marks, means that they same, and from the left to the same from the right. So if I put 2 centimeter over here, means that over here is 2 centimeter. So you have to connect which one is the mark that are the same. So it's different from this all of the shapes. So if teacher here didn't write the measure over here, and I will also didn't write the measure over here too, you can suggest, right? And the top is the same that below is also 4 centimeters, and the right is also in the left is also the same from the right is also 2 centimeters. You can tell the measure based on the mark itself. Okay, do not forget about here anymore. I will not repeat it, and in another quiz maybe I will do the same. I will not put the measure, but instead I'm only put the mark. Okay, kids? Okay, now we can continue to our lesson for today. Okay, kids, now we will follow our today lesson. It's about squares and square roots. Okay, before teacher Via will give you a definition about the square and the square roots. Actually you already know about the square, but how about the square roots? Okay, because before we move it about here, we need to know about the square first that has square roots. Okay, kids, can you see this one? I'm already write to you the square over here, which is 4 centimeters measure in each side. So I already put the mark over here. I will put the 2 lines over here, means that all of the sides will be right equal. So teacher Via didn't have to use 4 centimeter over here. I don't have to write the measure over here, nor over here, or nor over here. You already know what is the measure, right? Okay, let's continue. Okay, now let's see. In your book, it's already written that all 4 sides of a square are the same length. Okay, kid, remember, the same length. And to find the area of the square, okay, we square the measurement of one side. We square the measurement of one side. Okay, what the meaning of it? Teacher Via already giving you the formula in my latest video, right? Okay, means that if there's 4 centimeter over here, which means that the side is 4 centimeters. Okay, means that we can square them all together to the area. So the area will be 4 square. Okay, 4 square means that 4 times 4. So the answer will be 4 times 4 is, of course, is 16 centimeters square. Okay, we will continue. When we square the number, we also square the unit of measure. Okay, kids, we also square the unit of measure. What the meaning that square the unit of the measure? Okay, let's see over here. If you square centimeters them together, it's actually centimeters and centimeters, means that centimeter square. Okay, kids? Okay, we will continue is another lesson why is can get square over here, but it's still a long journey to go. Okay, kids, so that's why when you find the area, after you finishing measure the you square the measure. This one is the measure, square. You square them together. 4 times 4 is 16, and you also square the centimeters. Centimeters times centimeters is centimeter square. So that's the answer will be 16 centimeters square. Okay. Okay, kids, right now teacher will already write it to you. So the area of this blue square, actually the side of 4 centimeters will be 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters is equal to 16 centimeters square. You can see there's the number that is the same color, 4 times 4, and centimeter also centimeter, and then it will be 16 centimeters square. Kids, what is the meaning to be squared together? Means that you times them by 2 times. So, if teacher we have to write it, squares mean square means we times them together. We times them together 2 times. Okay, can you understand that, dear? Okay, now if you can understand, we can move to our question. Okay, let's see. Here in your book is actually already the question. Calculate the area of each square. Okay. Now you can see that is already prepared. For letter E is a square that has 5 of the sides. So means that you have to square them together. The answer it will be, oh teacher Fiat here. I will put in red pen. Okay, so means that if this one is 5 centimeters, so it will be this one will be 5 centimeters, and times with 5 centimeters, it will be, the answer will be 25 centimeters square. Can you understand this? Okay, now you can continue the letter B, C until F, right, by yourself. Okay, how about number 2, teacher Via? Let's see, write the answer of the squares. You can see this one, if what teacher Via said before. Okay, I will back to this one. Okay, this one, square means we times them together 2 times. So, when you find one number, okay, I will put this as a letter, okay, because it's kind of the formula. When you can see that the number that has the square means that you times them together. So when you can see this a squared means that a times a. Okay, kids. So back to our question. Okay, can you see over here is 4 squares. 4 squares means 4 times 4. Okay, right. If you will write the answer, you can do it. 16. Okay, how about 7 square, 8 square, and 10 square? Okay, you can follow teacher Via too. Okay, kids. Okay, now, if you can understand that, let's move on to the problem solving using square. Okay, kids, right now we move to problem solving with square. You can find it in your student book, page 138. Okay, kids, in your books, actually there's a problem. Let's see what is the problem. First, Mr. Khan has land in the shape of a square. Means that you have to listen to teacher Via properly because it's kind of difficult. Okay, if you want to answer, this question, oops. Okay, first we need to know what is in our question. Mr. Khan has a land in the shape of a square. The land is shared among Mr. Khan's 3 children. Okay, kids. Actually there's still not complete, but teacher Via already completed just now. Okay, let's see the question. Okay, first, to complete and to answer the question that is problem solving, we need to know every information that we serve from this question. At first, you know that Mr. Khan has land in the shape of square. We know that. And the four side of this shape measure 15 meters for each. If we want to draw one of the square, okay, because it's the shape of the square, okay, kids. Okay, can you see this? And this one is every part of each of the side of this land is actually 15 meters. Okay, now we continue. The land is shared among Mr. Khan's 3 children. So also we know that Mr. Khan has 3 children. Remember, 3 children. I will give the lines over here. Okay, Mr. Khan has 3 children. It's really important. Okay, let's continue. One of the children, Rani, sell his part to the land at price of 1,200,000 rupiah per square meter. Okay, kids, Rani. So beside Rani, there's 2 more people, right? 2 more children. So Rani sells her part. Her part is about 1,200,000 per meter square. What we didn't know about this, that we did not know yet about how much that Rani lands that she received from her father, right? Okay, let's see. We continue. Okay, let's continue. What we don't know about this. Okay, kids, right now teacher will already write it to you. We don't know how many parts that Rani received from her father. Remember that Mr. Khan has 3 children. Okay, so first of all, we need to know how many parts of each children, each of Mr. Khan's children had their part. Okay, so we need to know first all of the total of the area of this square. So the first thing that we need to answer is number 1. We need to answer the area of all of the land. Area of the land is equal to, what did teacher Via say before? To the formula of area of the square. Of course, we know that we square the number. Okay, so you square the number because the side is 15 meters. So times 15 meters. So it's equal to 225 meters square. Now we can find all of the total of the land, Mr. Khan. This is the total of Mr. Khan. Mr. Khan's land, right? Now Mr. Khan is going to divide this land divided to her or to his 3 children. Okay, let's divide them together. Okay, now we can continue to see each children had. Okay, we know that the total is actually 225 meters square. So we can divide it to his 3 children. So divided by 3, it will be equal to 70 75 meter square. Okay, so means that Rani also had 75 meter square to her land. Okay, now you can see that Rani had 75 meter square to her land, right? What should we do after this? Okay, kids, what should we do over this? Okay, now we can continue to continue to counting how much Rani will get the money after selling her land. Okay, let's see. Okay, teacher we already ready for you the money that Rani received after selling her land. So first you need to put how much that the land that Rani had, 75 meter square. And then you can times them with every part of her that selling for 1,200,000 over per square. Okay, kids? Okay. Teacher can resume it now. Okay, times them together with 1,200,000. Okay, what is the answer, kids? Right, is 90 million rupiahs. So, Rani will get 90 million rupiahs if she can sell her land, her part of land. Okay, this is also the answer for this problem solving. Okay, it's a little bit difficult, right? Okay. Yes, it's difficult because it's called problem solving. And now I would like you to do page 138 by yourself. Okay. Now your assignment for today will be will be page 137 until 138 in your student book. Okay, kids, that's all for today. And next week we will move to introducing your square roots because it will be a little bit difficult because I will not join them together. It's actually one part, but I think that if I'm joining them together, it will get you too much confused. Okay, kids, thank you for today lesson. Let's meet next week. I don't know if I will give you another video or I just give you Zoom meeting. Just wait for next week. Okay, kids, bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.